Hate. Double hate. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. On today's episode of What's in This Box, we're going to find out together. Yes, I'm one step ahead of myself. I already opened it. This is now the IPSY something or rather box. I forgot. Let me open my app. See, IPSY Extra. I don't know why it's an extra. It's just full-size item. In case you're new and you've never heard of IPSY or IPSY Extra, this subscription sends you 5 full-size items. They pick 2 of them. You get to pick the other 3. Really cool stuff. Let's do this together. See what I got. I already opened the box, but like, let me show you. Oh. This is what the inside looks like. Fancy. Ooh, okie dokie. Let's take a look-see. Oh, and in case anyone's wondering, this is currently in my time, December 2025. We're at the end of 2025. How crazy is that? I probably say that every year. That's just a me thing, maybe? I don't know. But December 2025, IPSY Play Beauty Spread Joy. Yeah, we can do that. That's cool. No big deal. Ooh. 2025 IPSY Unboxed. That's cute. No, this doesn't really have any information about what's in your box. I don't know why they include the card in there. For fun. Everything is on the app now. So let's open this. Oh. Somebody leaked. And you don't even smell good. That's okay. We're going to do this together. I'm going to go over the first 2 items are what IPSY picked for me. The first one is, it's from Formula Z. It's a Bubble DREAMDROP Lip Elixir for $20. I'm gonna sit you down right there because $20. The packaging sure is cute though, but like $20 for a lip. I have paid $20 for a lippy though. I don't think I've heard of this brand though. Formula Z. Let's open it up. Pop Fizz Plump. Can you tell me what's gonna make you $20? Bubble Dream Drop. Bubble up, pucker up, swipe onto lips for an instant boost of lasting hydration. Okay, I do like hydration. Use after lip color for a pop of shine. You can put this over? Lip Elixir. I mean, yeah, that sounds right. Huh. Okay. Maybe there's something to, but $20. Maybe it's worth it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these products. This I have not, so that's going to be a fun one to try. $20. Anywho, on to the next item so I don't get stuck here. What is you? No. Yeah? No. Yeah? No. No? You. It's from OPV Beauty. It is the eyeliner gel pencil duo in black and brown for $30. IPSY also picked these for me. $30 does sound like a lot, but then when you think about you get 2, which is $15, it's not too bad. Ooh. You're packaged really well though. Hello. Instant definition, glide the tip along your lash line starting from the inner corner. OPV Beauty London. So that's where you come from? Yeah, you do. Cool. Very nice. Yeah, I want to try these. These sound good. But like, how long lasting are you? It's just a question I want to try. Ooh, pulled out the black one this time. Yeah, you're a gel. Like the jelly. Ooh. Did you see that? What? Okay. Can I do the brown? I've been trying to try different colors, which for me would be like the brown, but let's see. Yeah, that's creamy. Wow. Feels pretty secure too, so if I just toss this in my bag and go, I'm not going to worry about it opening. Okay. Alright. The black looks, no, they both look kind of matte. That's pretty cool. I do have a question now. We do smudge a little bit, but for the most part, we stay put. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. Thank you. Alright, that was the second item that IPSY picked for me. I'm going to move on to the items I picked. The first one is from Fenty Beauty. Ooh. It is a Gloss Bomb Oil, Luminizing Lip Oil and Gloss in Rose Amber, 26 doll hairs. Let me show you because she looks... Dropped a piece of paper. She looks precious. And of course we are closed on the top, but not on the bottom. So I just slide this in here. Pop it open. Put my tweezers back so I don't lose them. Oh. So you're a lip oil though, right? Oil is what, I mean, it says gloss, and when I hear gloss I hear sticky. I don't like sticky. I do have a lippy on right now. It's the Effortless Lips from Revie Beauty, but I'm gonna put this on over top of it because you say you're an oil, a gloss bomb oil. Ooh. Huh. That's a different applicator. Oh my god, my mirror's flipped the other way. That feels nice. I was worried because when it came out, it did the little stringy thing, so I was really cautious about taking it out. But then when I put it on, thick, and it worried me, but I give it a chance. We feel smooth, we feel soft, we feel pretty. I love this. This is coming with me today. Oil. I mean, we can... Ooh, nope, I dropped the box. I was gonna say we could put the box back in the box, but nope, I already dropped the box. Moving on. How much were you again? $26. She's cute though. It's sparkling taupe brown. I think there were a couple kinds you could have picked. I loved this color because I don't know if you could tell from my shirts lately. I've been just like in my head, I don't want to say obsessed, but all I can think about is the color brown. Like deep dark brown, like either a mocha mousse brown or like a teddy bear brown. Like it has to be in between those two. It can't be like a light brown. It has to be dark, deep, even though, well, it kind of shows up on my lips. I think it gave them like a little bit of darkness, a deep darkness, you know? Maybe, I don't know. It's probably all in my head. Good for me. The next item, oh, this is the one, so this is from Grown Alchemist, which I've tried their stuff before. Good stuff, nice stuff. It's pricey. This itself is the Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Toner for $50. $50 for a toner, and we're leaking. Yep, so I don't know how well you can see. It's leaking right here, or more recently right here, all right here, all here. We're pretty, in my opinion, pricey. I can find similar items not as pricey, but yep, we are open. You don't really have a smell to you? Oh yeah. Okay, that's fine. So when I pull it up, I'm gonna try and squeeze it here. This lid is not on at all. Okay, that's all. Okay, well, yep. So we have been leaking, currently leaking, still leaking. I like the way this looks though. One thing for Grown Alchemist products, I love that you can like leave them out like just on the counter and they look so decorative, like fancy. You just leave it and people are like, oh, it looks nice, part of the decor. I enjoy it. We'll see if this is good. It's been a while since I've had a spritz toner though, like the spray. Usually I have the ones that you can like plop plop on your hand or onto the little cotton rounds. I've just taken to using my hand because I feel like it's a lot more personable for me. I like to touch my skin because it feels good. Not right now. Well, I mean, it feels good now, but I'm not going to touch it right now because I have stuff on my face. But you know what I'm saying. $50 we leaked. That's okay. I mean, how much of it was actually still full? Like, just curious, because I know I'm gonna use it either way. But like that's still a pretty good amount, right? Like, it's up there. Like, we're right here. Not. It's not too bad. Do you tell me how to use you, by the way? Oops. Sorry. Wait. No. This way. Yeah. This way. Then this way. This is Beauty from Within, a holistic approach that awakens, enlivens, alchemizes, scissors. Okay, we're just making up words, or it's in another language. Contact eye. Directions for use: use morning and evening after cleansing. Apply a fine mist, then press into skin and allow to dry. Okay, we'll do. On to the last item here. It's from MISCHO Beauty. I'm probably saying that wrong. But look at the packaging. She's cute. I love the way the logo is. It's a dual-ended eyeshadow stick in the gift. $21. So it's a soft pink shimmer and a matte taupe color. Let me show you. Oh, that's cute. So not only is the box looking cute, I love the logo. On this side it's pink where it says the gift shimmer. And then on the other side it's like a brown and it says the gift matte. So that's adorable. That's really helpful, handy, like if you're shopping for this stuff in store, then you can actually see like, okay, I don't have to look on my phone and find out what the colors are. That's cute. This reminds me of like those old school Crayola markers, except we are double-sided. That's neat. I've been really, in case you haven't seen any of my other videos, I've been really into like the eyeshadow pencils lately. Just taking them, doing like a line or two, and then tapping it out with my finger, and I feel like that just makes my look for the day. I don't know if like I'm more simplistic or lazy or both, but it works. So that's why I picked that guy. And that's everything in the box. And yeah, you can kind of tell it's a little moist. Got a little beat up there. That's okay, it happens. This is where beauty comes to play. IPSY. I'm going to try and put this back in here nicely, neatly, so you can kind of see what I got. Oh, I just realized I picked two lippy things. That's okay, because I got two eye things and a skin thing. Still, good variety, good stuff, good box. December 2025. It's a good box. We're ending the year on a good box. Honest to God, I opened this before we started because I thought this was gonna be, I ordered gifts from the IPSY, like the online little store shop that you can do. They have little ornaments that have different beauty products in there. And I ordered a lot for a lot of people. And I'm like, I want to get them so I can give them to people so they can put them on their tree because they're literal ornaments. They look so cute and they've not come in yet. So I'm like, are we going to get this like the week before, the day before, the year after? Well, what are we doing? I'm just anxious and antsy and in a hurry. Anywho, I'm just yammering. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm going to let you go. You can go watch all of my previous IPSY videos. You know which one. I changed the name on the playlist. But anywho, I'm going to go. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!